you start sending yourself, more you strengthen your power to speak up against what has happened.
What role does victim blaming plays in this? By how much scale does increase the cases that go unreported that increases due to victim blaming?
Yes. See, when cases go unreported, it's all interrelated with victim blaming. Moment you start blaming the victim will not report the case. Why? Because of the shame involved. And also sometimes victim starts blaming self. Time after time, clients who have experienced sexual harassment at work or school have told me things like, I assumed it was my fault. I'm a very friendly person and I always smiled and said hello to my boss. I think he must have thought I was flirting with him. So she always thought that it's because of her that it's happened. And what happens then? She starts fearing that she might also lose her job if she goes further on to report. So the victim blaming is one thing, it's just a part of it. But not just that. It's also the denial and minimization that many women refuse to believe that the treatment they endured was actually abusive. They don't want to accept it.
If we are being mentally harassed non-sexually and that too by someone of our family, what can be done?
Okay.
As sharing those with our as sharing those with our closest friends on whom we can trust would eventually get the victim attention seeker tag. An attention seeker tag. So what can be done to overcome the trauma that trauma if it is non-sexual but the mental harassment is killing us from inside?
Okay. Good question, Unnati. Very good question. And a lot of times this is exactly what's happening. देखिए, physical sexual abuse होता है, but उसके मुकाबले mental harassment is happening to 80% of women in this country, and they are not reporting because they feel ये तो चलता है, but ये नहीं चलना चाहिए. Because if you allow these things to happen, it will continue. Now, coming to the second part of your question, mental harassment is equal to sexual abuse. Let me tell you this. As I had already mentioned, जब हम ऊपर हमने सबसे पहले I'm not too sure if you were there, but initial conversation में मैंने बताया था that inappropriate touching, lewd remarks, sexual remarks, mental harassment, they're all a part of sexual abuse. Or everything is covered under law. So I'm telling for sure that sitting lying down will never help solve any problem. Any problem. जो अब तक होता आया है, जो एक ताबू बनता आया है, वो आप जैसे लोग, आप जैसे यंग लोग, आप लोगों ने तोड़ना है. So go with that mindset, right? वो जो stereotype mindset चला आया है, उसे हम सब मिलकर अब तोड़ेंगे. So that should be the attitude.